na Outsparing Show era VTFM. Vito Konikina.
O Punja celebrating 90 years.
Kay Vinod Patel.
VTFM e Kamila Gaikachi.
Very warm welcome and Mbulunaka and Rabinaka to all our friends.
Meron
See me
tayo
this
bandwa?
morning around the country. Huh?
Meron mo taliban dua?
Yeah.
Alright, roda.
So, binaka na baka namisingan Outs Palangi Show. Na baka binaka very big binaka baka lebu. Tama ni binaka baka lebu to our sponsors this morning.
Huge.
Punjas and to Vinod Patel. And to all the staff of the two companies. Sabat ko ba mataka di biyang karabani kuwa wherever you're tuning from. We say yan binaka and welcome to baka namisingan and VTFM.
Well, good morning to Simeli New Matewalu all the way from Devox Road.
Devo
Road from this one is from Moina Lokalebu Kobalau.
Yeah.
And the Fala Tatabale is from Bisoto Lobo ni Obalau.
Right.
Tamaisaki ne uri. Good morning to you and the family. And not forgetting Tamay Sulueti Ndima Nalemba.
Yeah.
This is Ralulu from the LC639.
Yeah.
Koronumbu substation in Bato Lili.
Yeah.
EPC.
Yeah.
EPS. Era buni squad ngani EPS. Thank you to Ralu to Rokotuni. Good morning to you and the family this morning. Elis malu mulebu.
Wow.
This to the Ratuluke Primary School preparation for the game.
Okay, wala ni rin na buri beto kadi LT1230. Arabna ka tadi gudabs kay na mata biyo kadi baka kini meli. And buri beto mati na mata ka binaka di kuwa. Bikibri kita na rabi tolili.
Yeah.
Isa ba chuma na beto ngun sala ni ari mata binaka. Kabodi ni binaka buri beto mati bikibri na lubibiti.
Yeah.
Ni beto kan bukaya wasar tuma na biyo se buru-bura.
Iyo.
And baka tamis isa. After a very long timing.
Hung.
Maramanita sera yang bakin dilea nanggia.
Oh, hands together.
Tuning in from Nandi.
Hands
And
together.
a wine in Boo House. And a matake day. Yandra matabinakay maramanite.
Alright.
Well, good morning to Ili Rambuli from to all the South Sea Orchid.
Okay.
Crew members. Barau tek muna dinyungo be Mere Oju Ili.
Yeah.
Likewise to the Rambuli family in Vunivau Lambasa.
Right.
Family, my Tamatamakoy.
Yeah.
And Mika Rambuli, Ili Rambuli from the South Sea Orchid na South Nandi. In this wonderful morning. Semini Matiwalu, well, good morning to you too, my brother.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for tuning in Suvan Devo Road.
Alright.
Tamaisaki NC Max in this wonderful morning.
Yeah.
Well, good morning to everyone joining this morning, even though it's afternoon from your side of view, from different occasion, from different continent, from different state where you are joining from.
Yeah.
But we are thankful to the up above
Yeah.
for give us another chance.
Yeah.
Some of us are unfortunate enough to be reaching this morning.
Di na, sir.
Some of us, they are looking for oxygen right now. They're looking for life.
Yeah.
But we are thankful so that you are here. You can feel.
Yeah.
You show 5 cents
Yeah.
that are working this morning.
Right.
And a little elaborate more, but thankful.
Yeah.
Take a minute, take a second
Yeah.
to thankful.
Thank you very much. Thank you
Okay,
very much. To all
okay.
the staff
Mine.
ni Rento Kill,
Iyo.
Paramasedi and the staff, likewise to Jay the Team View.
Arabinaka tau.
Iyo, tuning in this morning, likewise to Jonathan Nikoro, Mbulubinaka Kodi, to Aineta, Melina Valebu.
Right.
And Lemeki Sanga Valu.
Arabinaka Valley.
Pelsi Waka Mbulubinaka, Serai Yambaki, Indile Nangia, Lutera Lube.
Yeah.
And Vini Marama from Nausori.
Arabinaka.
All the way from Nandongo.
Ha?
Nandongo Sangani the Kaunrobe. Pelsi Waka.
Ha?
Pelsi Waka. O Peli.
Oi.
Yeah, Peli mula siya. And also to Bentari, the driver.
Yeah.
Bentari, the bill or text.
Tamaysay.
Tamaysay. 360.
Yeah.
Say 365.
Yeah.
Good morning to you and everybody who joining this morning.
Yeah.
And also to the batch of the bus stand.
Yeah.
Sunny Boy Marika.
Okay, hypothetical ngo baka mendora kambuli ngo.
Okay.
Demesi.
Come.
You yourself,
Yes, and I.
the children's mama, Chiniabu,
Yeah.
and your momo.
Okay.
Dola ko chigi was. Guys, sa mimi ng boto.
Mabomongo.
Guys, sa mimi ng boto.
Ah.
Sangge baka sala sangge itong kita kay kaya ako nakani safety ka ko tobang ko nawanga.
Correct.
Artong imposugi ka sangge wili kontemes. Ni ruang aron ribondo nawanga ko. Do me sanang BY. O they sanang BTY and the reason why.
Oso te omomo. Omomo.
Talotang man sa puro prato na waswas.
In that occasion,
Iyo.
I'll dive. Au binakata mo be Italia mo lengo ya mero umbula ro na bitama.
Sema mapakasama, iko napakasama, mas napakasama, napakasama tango
You
ke
don't want to
tango.
risk your life in
Iyo.
it.
Kuno tunga Holande.
Iyo.
Mapakasama takana
Okay.
tango iyo.
Au na nugo bakasama ya?
Iyo.
E na ro na nugo basama na liu na nugo basama first choice.
Iyo. Ikusara wili kana message.
So you got a message.
Yeah.
When I read the message,
Yeah.
it goes to my mind.
Iyo.
From my mind, I'll try my 5 cents to walk.
Iyo.
Right.
Right.
Myself, I'll first of all, tine abu you'll alive first.
Iyo.
Then the second option,
Yeah.
me or
Uncle.
Momo, my
father-in-law.
Yeah, my father-in-law.
Why china ya to be alive?
Membulo ko ya, matai because that the promise.
Iyo.
Yeah.
You go for Membula.
Iyo.
Of Italia mula imbula mara because of the children is there.
Iyo.
Ah.
And,
Right, don't iyo.
Momo. Batango ni onto na retsyo na baro tumo Momo.
Sintara kan lagi kachi to no mo.
Momo. Posutia we go sana liu.
So, when you say that,
Yeah.
Momo,
Obe walinga.
Yeah.
Momo,
Yeah.
you go first.
Yeah.
When you jump into the boat
Okay.
and you put Momo out,
Alright.
one thing Tinea will cry.
Iya nakaray.
And she'll tell you, Isha, Dems,
Yeah.
the very first time I met you,
Reti tale mai semberi mau tilo na boso sandri ti Momo tale mai wanda beri Momo dai viwai. Sangai bango me bera sangai bango me berau.
Yeah.
Sangai pinakan ko be kemun raw.
When you say momo to type why?
Iya.
And nothing rachine ya, nungu na nungu kasar ngombe ba?
Dems, don't go,
Yeah.
Yeah.
please.
Kone sin kadina demsa kadina dedi.
Yeah.
Nayame mai
Yeah.
meri kali mentani kali me kila kiri me tumbure na loloma me tumbure ko me yau me na ve kila.
And and when you dive,
Yeah.
and he'll dead,
O deda ko ro ko tagi la kari.
thank you very much for saving my father.
I will go to the water.
Yeah.
I'll let Momo and Mami coming.
Wala ka sa tani ba bimbi o chine ya.
Iyo.
Kuri lako. Tatai ko molako.
Me u de me la ko tata.
Obo yo no momo.
Que san rendre be irto china no tono ne. Ka no da ka bongo. Au na bisu kiro bata ke me kero holo. Ndar sando amba, ndar sando jwa me tarundua.
Baru sa ako ni Salamate. All the right way.
Iya.
Yeah.
Me rani fe ha. Ke bina kata ko membula if she wants daddy to nonta membula.
Yeah.
Yo, ko bina kata me membula. Ngai ka banga ba? Sabi na kami kero sa liurur.
Senga. Mena kento mendechu kana bikaya.
Bulang nga, momo.
Only 2 will go to reach the show alive.
Mbula mo
Mena
mo.
2 mena out my.
Momo, mbula mo betali mo sa aliweo.
Oh, okay, set.
Iya.
Nato to kaya.
Eh, bina ka biya umera umbulan bina na bita mani sangkay binang ko kemun. Ra umbulan na bita mani ra umula ko sa napakadya ko sangkay binang ko kemun ra musambi to mai. But there is no other choice.
Yeah.
No, it's-
Bi na binang la mera umbula.
Yeah.
Etale mo sa aliweo. But momo ko
Yeah.
sila minto siniristali.
Yeah.
Ko mi maru ta katuyo na nungumbula.
One na.
What
Okay.
you'll say to them
Yeah.
when they are a bit far away
Aw na
from
tulang
you.
ka pero kana po ni moto tu kira moto say rambol kami biyo. Kale mo na niyo tulang ka lang. Rambol kami mo sa dali maut.
Okay, datala ko.
Mai.
Na suru. Lebo er tukur naman do suru. So tukur mango do na numi ko mai. Eh? Okay. Nada ba kinda do suru kina. Na da bayado to our body.
Tolus tele banda bi momo boso tiaw.
Iyo.
Atu kuno mengo chonada ni koro. Sana sapui kay momo.
Eh?
Sana sapui.
Right.
Momo?
Iya.
Kuan ka sana sa land.
Okay.
Right.
Right. Wala ba okay, me fe eh?
Iyo,
Right. Iyo. Right. Na suru.
Suru.
Iyo. Nada bayado nonda na yangonda. Lai babu na me kada botikin na rorong eh.
Dua.
Iya.
First of all, na ichi na mila ni udu.
Iya.
Dua ya.
Yeah.
Iya.
And another one is a remembrance.
Oi.
Indo e para numi ko tiko minda banua.
Right.
Hey, oh.
Remembrance Day.
Remembrance day ko reso ko ni Vitalan.
Iya.
Iyo.
Iya.
I will indo e para numi ko. Because don't ever underestimate the nature.
Iya.
Okay.
Don't ever underestimate the surrounding.
Iya.
Don't ever estimate your ecosystem.
Right.
Even though they don't talk.
Gori.
If they move,
Yeah.
they talk. In the book, it says,
Yeah.
kebakar sini bos, air na kango.
Iya.
Na bos na batu.
Iya.
They are alive too.
Iya.
Oi.
Orang dari sini kau.
Iya.
Tunggu orang bulu tuh.
Right.
They have eyes
Iya.
in their form of creations. We have eyes.
Iya.
And hindi na kayo muli bekada and our eyes too. Kwanta ko na matanta. They have
Right.
their own eyes too.
Oi.
If you wanna know, their eyes too, their feelings.
Iya.
If you kill a turtle, he or she will cry.
Cry.
That's emotions too coming from them. If you cut a banana,
Yeah.
the water coming from there. Nabuna.
Huh.
That's coming from the
Iya.
feelings too they have.
Emotion.
Emotions.
Boy.
Like this. If you talk to a plant, does not bear fruit. You talk to them, next year, he will bear fruit.
Iya.
Because of the emotion. They have their own feeling in their form of creations.
Iya.
So, we us too like that.
Iya.
We can talk in a form. Somebody feel you.
Yeah.
From somewhere, we got the connections. Like this. Before you come, the butterfly come.
Oi.
The butterfly.
Yeah.
Because a sense of love.
Yeah.
Sense of feeling that
Oi.
come within us.
Ayaw saray? Ayaw saray na.
Siyempre, ninduela ko may sabu kami ng bembe.
Iyo.
Sabu kata kila-kila, there will be a vistas.
Yeah.
Will come into a
Coming.
place.
Mm.
That's a truth.
Iya.
Huh?
Nakandi na.
Warna na, butotok.
Yes.
Why is the sky blue?
The sky is blue.
Iya.
Because there's less land in the sea. Elay nanggele na soso lele na burubura, there's so many ocean
Iya.
in the earth.
Iya.
Or the only thing that holds together is the gravity, they said.
Iya.
Around you.
Iya, iya, iya.
Because your eyes
Iya.
have a length of seeing.
Iya.
Ito nga na bunor na ilalika ko rin rida. When you look on the sea, you can see a horizontal line.
Iya.
Doon nga na line ni Bondon because that's where eyes is rich.
Iya.
Nabuno nga ito kinamata mo ya.
Right.
When you see up, you can see anything else.
Yeah.
But then, nabuno yung kinamata mo. That's why the blue. The clouds white
Yeah.
because that's where your eyes can see. Nabuno sa nga kinamata mo, nakano pa rin rida. Outside the clouds at the back,
Yeah.
you see blue because that's the only thing that you can see.
Right, right,
Nabuno
right.
nga kinamata mo, if you use a microscopic lens,
Iya.
Huh?
microscopic lens. Iyo, microscopic lens.
Yeah.
See the moon.
Yeah.
We can see the moon. Out of the moon.
Yeah.
The moon is the closest planet on the earth.
Iya.
We can see. But the other that we can see, the Jupiter,
Iya.
the Venus, Jubilee Gornawanga, the Pluto,
Iya.
the Mars,
Yeah.
they are very far.
Iya, di na sa.
Because that can reach our
Wakan dua,
eyes.
wana na.
Leo kami kanos, yo tabale.
Iya. At doon naman may Christchurch na Roto family. Bata kay na Ramatan Street na Bosay. Na matagani ko. Okay. Kaya ka endo na tskine ngom may bisaw.
Oh.
May robiso position. Kaya ka endo na tskine ngom may robiso position.
Yeah.
Na daba. Bata kina daba no may muna.
Oya mulewa ni bitabale?
Iya, leo kami tabali.
Okay. Tabale,
Yeah.
kau sana numuti ko, kau sana numuti ko.
Sampai sa ko tabale.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys
Yeah.
and girls, we are about to hear now
Yeah.
the changing of the position of the body.
Iya.
Iya.
Kororo na yaman ha?
Iya.
Meron sambi tanon raw tiko tiko baturang ha?
Iya.
Meron-
Kami si tabale.
Kororo na yaman, alasangan nang ko?
The
Iya,
dictates.
do meron sa lubat tayo na tiko tiko baturang ha? Meron yan ra? Meron yan ra baka meron bodyguard.
Iya.
Meron bito na tiko tiko baturang ha? Meron may kambing balum. Iyo. Enererida. Kaya baka raw lako may raw bito tunay tiko tiko baturang. Meron raw turang ha? Ena nontang bula pa kayang.
Ombats tela metos na kamay.
Ombat ito. Nakala, nakalikuro, nalali, may samay nakakalagan dawan mo.
Iya, iya.
Ay, sakay.
Kaya salang, ato bale, salang kaya lala ya.
Eh,
Na fully
together
body.
as one.
Kan ini bilang kami kemni kesarana semua limai. Katungan ni bende.
When you say
Saserengo.
when you say Salang, I can tell Atus imagination.
Yeah. Because that's how we are built.
No. Take it away.
Minawale Vinod Patel. Minawale Bu Punjes. We love you. We love you. Binabaliw sana.
Ya sudah kabayan, tapi tanda bener na magtuanggo. Arto nampat si Lea kampat si balabot lang arto toki.
Kaya baka ember-ember na linga. Kaya baka ito na ni mate turu.
Woi, sekali.
Bilang ko lagi. Ito nang bating arto sa bingus.
Woi.
Koto mer.
Kay bang yung gomit tabale sa kilay sarang mabuha pa ka tabale.
Kang ko santi kita kimebi ako. Ako na may matuan to yaw.
Sekali.
Butang bola si amo sar nga itenin ren su kiles. Koto mer. John Kumar. Oilei.
Tapos matalto ko John Kumar na katulog pa.
Oilei Bilesenia. Yandra. Waga-waga. Tumbula may waga-waga.
Doon belum ka na may waga-waga. Isan de...
Ngone nimbuwa ang batibo. Mbulre! Awa mo tiba pare. Kala na siya nimbatibo ko may nasolo. Mbulre.
Waga Bulawalu, Josefa Kotombalabu. Binabalik besar siya mas kumay.
Mo kaya sudo na lipia. Kaya kata-kata kino nang bagin bulo kasang kaya bagi witu. Congratulations tangan ni bo. O Josefa Kotombalabu. Kaya kata-kata kino nang bagin bulo kaya sudo na lipia. Kasang kaya bagi witu ko.
Saan din na?
Iya. Okay. Lipia, bala to uti ba na yang baki?
Iya.
Nang kayo ta la lipia. Kaya bala sana kaya kano sinsu.
Dilsar. Kinto sana na pa eh?
Ito na ata para to kay.
Iya binabalik besar kami kita nabiakan ni babi binabalik talbi punjes sa kapag lang ini baby na
Binor Patel hiyo.
Ena mong lumito ko naman taka binakita ito. Ayaw ko rumo. Ayaw ko naman tali.
Kuru mundo ko.